Hi, today I'm going to explain about the group by class, how we can use the group by class in SQL. Okay, so to create some awareness, I will open the terminal. Oracle SQL Live. This is the terminal. Here, select start coding and login, sign in. So this is the terminal that we can use for practice of SQL. Let me try one select query. I'm running it. So I got the table details. Table records. Total 14 records, but this is the schema they are providing, default schema, and this is the employee table. This is also default one. So I will show you how to use the group by class on this default schema on the default table. Okay, group by. So this is helpful to arrange the data in organized way into logical set of groups. Arrange the data or grouping the data into one group. Let me write the logical word here. Okay, this is the actual definition of group by. So where we can use this group by? So as you see, I try to read all the data in the EMP table with asterisk symbol. So I want to make one select query with grouping with the department number column. Let me write that department numbers, count of staff from EMP, score.emp, group by department number. Okay, let me execute this select query. So you got the details. Total four department numbers are there. No, sorry, three department numbers are there. 30, 10, and 20. In 13 department number, total six members are working. Under 10th department, three members are working. Under 20, five members are working. Okay. So here the sorting was happened based on the department number. Cool. Okay. The grouping was taken place. Okay. So now I would like to share about the limitations of group by. And okay, so group by limitation. I can't say limitation. Let me write like that for understanding. So it is not mandatory to use grouping function here. This is a grouping function. So if you use group by class in a select query, so no need to use the group by function here. It is an optional thing. Grouping function while using group by class. Okay, this is the first point we need to remember. So I will write the same select query in different format with some changes. So I will mention ename. So ename is a column that is existed in employee table. So, so if I execute this particular statement alone, I will get an error. So not a group by expression, not a group by expression. Okay. This is the error we received when you are not mentioning the ename column after group by class. So here, so in order to avoid this error, we just need to do one thing. Department number and sorting will take place because based on department number and ename. So ename is an optional thing, not optional. So if you mention ename here, so you won't get this kind of error, not a group by expression. Okay. So I got the details. I mean, the query is executed successfully because whatever the columns you have written in the select region, that column should be there after group by class. So keep that point in mind. So I would like to mention job. So if I execute this statement alone, I will get an error again. Why? I have not mentioned this job column after the group by class. So job. Okay. So if I execute this statement, I won't get any error. I will get result. That's a difference. Okay. And after group by, one more limitation is there. I will write this one also. Whatever the columns you mentioned or written, the select region that should be mentioned, that should be written after group by class. Okay, this is one. So I said this point, right? No need to use grouping function while using the group by class. So I will show you. I will demonstrate that. So I don't want this ename and I'm passing ename here. If I execute this statement, I will get result. So you're getting result means you don't need any grouping function. That's an optional thing. Okay, no need to use grouping function while using the group by class. Keep that in mind. And after using group by class, you cannot use where class. You cannot use where class. Sorry, where condition. Okay, so I have written this statement. Okay, now I would like to mention the where department number equal to 20. So I've given this value. Let me execute this one. So SQL command not properly ended. So this kind of declaration is not allowed in SQL. Let me write having. Okay, so where condition we cannot use after group by. So for replacement of where we can use having, but keep in mind. So what it will do, I mean the software first it will trying to get the result set of this particular one, and then later it will apply the having condition. First choice is this one, so it will execute and we will get one result. Okay, so now I want to filter the data on the basis of department number, so that's why I'm giving having department number equal to 20. Okay, so that's the difference. So where is not allowed, having is allowed after grouping. Replacement for where is having clause. uh, these are the main details about the group by, and main advantage and disadvantages of group by. uh, in the next session I would discuss about few more SQL topics. Bye.